Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the Moodle reference architecture diagram on AWS. If you are running Moodle or planning to, this is the guide you have been waiting for. We are going to break down all the services so you can understand how Moodle leverages AWS for a fully scalable, secure and high performing setup. So let's get started. What is Moodle? So it's the one of the most popular open source learning management system used by educational institutions or organizations around the world. So but hosting Moodle efficiently can be a challenge if you are dealing with the lots of users, content and spikes in traffic. So that's where AWS come in, providing a robust cloud environment. So now let's explore this architecture one step at a time. So this is the Moodle reference architecture on AWS, which is designed to handle large scale deployments. So every box and a connection represent the key part of infrastructure. So let's dive deep in details. So first one is a Route 53. So at the top of Route 53, which is AWS Scalable Cloud Deployment DNS services. So it manages your domain names and route incoming traffic to the closest AWS resources. So this ensures low latency access to your Moodle web applications and no matter where the users are located. Okay. Next one is a CloudFront. Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network. So it catches your Moodle content at edge location globally, and which speeds up the delivery of static content like image, videos and CSS files, and this helps user access the Moodle app faster, so no matter where they are. Next one is a certificate manager. like ACM handles the SSL TLS certificates that secure your web traffic. These traffic encrypt data between your users and your servers, ensuring that sensitive information like login details is protected. It also integrates with the CloudFront to enforce HTTPS access. So next is application load balancer. Application load balancer is your it distributes the incoming in traffic across multiple Moodle application server, and this helps balance the load and ensure that no single server is overwhelmed. So especially when you have many students or user logging in at the same time. So application load balancer handles that scalable your traffic. Next is a VPC and networking. like uh, VPC is a virtual private cloud. The architecture is deployed in a virtual private cloud or VPC. This is a logically isolated section of AWS, and where you can define your network configuration. So it includes public and a private subnet. Public and a private subnet, it's for various resources as you can see here. And NAT gateway is like your it also provides allows the private subnet instances like database servers to access the internet securely for updates or other tasks, so while keeping them invisible to public access. Moodle application server is these servers are private subnet host in the Moodle web application itself. So they scale horizontally, meaning more server can be added as demand increases. like uh, you can use that auto scaling with the help of auto scaling. Okay, so next is database and data storage, Amazon Aurora and Postgres as SQL. For the database, we are using Amazon Aurora MySQL. So Aurora is highly performant and scalable, built on handle the heavy read and write workloads that Moodle often generates. So it's set up a multi-AZ configuration to ensure high availability. Okay, and these are the EFS elastic file system. It used for storing media, Moodle's shared data. Moodle uploaded files are stored here, so accessible from multiple instances, which is essential for scaling Moodle across multiple servers. So if EFS is elastic, growing automatically as the amount of stored data increases. And ElastiCache for Redis is it to boost performance. ElastiCache for Redis is deployed for caching. It stores frequently accessed metadata in memory, reducing the load on the database and improving the responses time for the Moodle pages. So, and here are AWS CodeCommit, CodeBuild, and CodeDeploy. It's talk about DevOps, and these services manage your CI/CD pipeline, enabling you to deploy updates and new code version seamlessly. So, CodeCommit is like for stores the code in Git repositories. CodeBuild is for like test the code, compiles and test the codes. CodeDeploy is handle the actual deployment to your Moodle updates, and CodePipeline it orchestrates the entire process automatically build, test and deployments. So this ensures that update can be delivered quickly and without downtime. So next one is a security and secret management. So AWS Secret Manager is managing sensitive information like database credential and API keys. We have AWS Secret Manager, and parameter stores. These services securely rotate and access your secret, adding an additional layers of security of your Moodle environment. So that's a wrap up or breakdown of Moodle reference architecture on AWS. So as you can see, AWS provides all the tools you need to run the Moodle at a scale with high availability, security, and performance. So if you find this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cloud infrastructure architecture videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Moodle on AWS, drop them in the comments below. We will dive deeper in upcoming videos. See you next time.